What's up, fam? Today we're talking about the mysterious case of Nolan Wells. Nolan was an 18-year-old college football player who disappeared during the 4th of July trip to Horn Island, Mississippi with his friends. His friends returned. He didn't. Many people are comparing the Nolan Wells case to Kendrick Johnson, whose body was found rolled up in a gym mat at his high school in 2013. Now, they are not ruling out foul play in this, and we've seen this multiple times over the years. Today, an update of an autopsy was given by Crump, and we're going to see what he had to say about this.
He talked about the second autopsy performed on Nolan Wells revealed marked decompensation or changes. Marked decompensation can obscure the presence and absence of bruising on the skin surface, especially during a second autopsy examination. What he's saying, because the body was so decomposed that you couldn't tell if there was bruises or abrasions on the body when he received it on the 10th of July. He says, however, dissection of the back of the head during the layered posterior neck dissection revealed a 12 by 8 inch focal area of rare discoloration in the deep soft tissues overlaying the occipital bone. And he talked about how he found red discoloration when he cut open into the back of his head towards the occipital bone, and he saw the red discoloration, and we actually saw the pictures of it. It's significant. You can't help but notice, why is this dark red here in the back of his head? And so he was important to note that in his report. He said that etiology of this finding is unclear. There are no lacerations of the overlaying skin nor fractures of the underlying skull. These findings are inconclusive for perimortem injury due to both the extensive decomposition and the absence of associated injuries. This finding, however, is significant enough to be highlighted in this preliminary report for further investigation. It is important to reiterate that the finding could not have been observed in the first autopsy because the posterior head and neck dissection were not performed.
At this point, the independent autopsy has not determined the cause of death. The official investigation is still ongoing, and we continue to follow the verified updates as they come. Stay tuned. We got time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Come on, man. We got time, TV.